Hey there. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of putting a graphic or YouTube video in a class post. The easiest way that I've found to do this, sort of the most consistent, foolproof way, is to put the graphic, that's going to be the first thing I'm going to show you, into your personal M-file space. This isn't your Dropbox, this isn't your M-box space, but it's your M-file space. Put it there and then link to it from the class post. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So go to mfile.umich.edu and log in. So that's what I'm going to do. Enter the usual information. Okay, so now this brings me up to this space. My AFS space is what it's called, and that's my SA Moore home directory. Now, just in case you guys haven't ever done this before, click on websites and then make sure that your public SA Moore unique name space. So I already have my SA Moore public space down here under prepared web spaces. If it's not there, then click it and click on prepare selected web spaces. Okay, so once you do that, then you'll have a web space at that address. Okay, so make sure you do that. Now I'm going to go back to home. Now we're going to create a folder for this class where we can put the files that we want to put in our class posts. So you don't put it directly in this folder, your unique name folder. You put it within public. So click on public to bring that up, and then click on HTML to bring that up. So now I have a whole set of lots of folders. So let's go ahead and create a folder and click here, and you can call this anything you want. Bit 330F2012 works for me. So now all the capital letter stuff will be up top, and then it'll have all the lowercase stuff. So here's bit 330F2012. I'm going to click on that. Now what I'm going to do is upload the file graphic that I want to display within the post. So upload file, browse. Here's my downloads. There's the file I want to display. Double click, and it's right there. So upload file, and here it is. Now, to show you that this is displayed, okay, notice this is in HTML bit 330F2012. So let's open a new window and go to www.personal.umich.edu. So everyone will type that same thing, tilde, your unique name, then not HTML and not public, but the name of the folder that you just created, so bit 330F2012. Make sure you get capitalization correct, and then a slash, and now the name of your file should be there. Click on it. Okay, and in this case, this is the one that I just uploaded. So there it is. So great. So now we have the URL of the folder, of the file right there. Let's go ahead and just highlight the whole thing and copy it. Okay, make sure you copy it. Now go back to our website, and you're going to create a class post or open the one that you're trying to get a graphic in or whatever. So here, class post, and this is test graphic, and here. So this is showing a insertion of a graphic from a URL. Okay, so right there, that's image. Paste the URL in. It should come up right here. Then I say alternative text, so this is my test graphic, or whatever you would put to describe what is in that actual graphic. Let's just see that this works first. So I'm going to say OK, and there it is. Okay, there it is. Now it's okay. So I have some text. Good. So it's too big, right? It's too big. Double click on that graphic, and this says it's width of 851. I'm going to go ahead and make that smaller. Okay, so 450 seems reasonable. Hit tab, and now let's go ahead and look at it again. Okay, so it's smaller so you can see it. So let's right now just see what this would look like once it's published. So I'll preview it, and there it is. There it is. Lovely. Now if we wanted to edit it again, it's here down and continue on. It's more at the bottom. Now I'm going to double click on it again. Now border. I can put a border around this. Let's say a border of 1 if I wanted to. And so that'll put a thin line around the whole thing. Also can put space around it, so 2 points of space to make sure that the text doesn't butt up right against it. Link, if I wanted them to, okay, so in the document it's going to show the graphic and it's going to be smaller, but if I wanted them to be able to see the whole thing by clicking on it, then I can make a link to the graphic itself. And I like to say that this will open in a new window. Advanced, I don't do anything there. So I'm going to say OK. H space must be a whole number. Okay, so you don't say 2 points, you say 2. And V space, same thing. Okay, and there it is. This time I'm going to again preview. Look at it. There it is. This looks fine to me. And then you go ahead and save it. But now, instead of saving it, I'm going to go ahead and insert a YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to scroll back up here to the editing space. Sorry for all that. Okay, and so I'm going to put it in. And here's the YouTube video. So to do that, then you click here to add media, and you click on web, and here's where you get the URL of the video. So, current popular video that I can't get out of my head, go back to it, paste in, click submit, and it comes up and we're ready to dance. And then save. And there it is. That should do it for you. If you have any questions, put them in the comments afterwards and I'll do what I can to address them. Good luck.